Hello everybody. Have I got a challenge? I'm going to be covering my pimples. I literally saw this on Instagram. I'm pretty sure YouTubers done it as well, but I just seen this on Instagram. I'll put like her picture here. I looked on it, I'm just like, okay, you know what? This is like so fun. So while I still have acne, I will be using these. Might as well make the most out of it and let's bling it up. These are so cute. They're also little like pearls. So there's rhinestones and pearls. These are what they look like. These actually look so cute. I might actually be able to like reuse them and like bling out my phone case or something. Okay, so this is my phone case. Actually, let's just do some. Oh, I'm gonna put the comes off out in like one unit. I think I'm gonna put it on the front. I don't know what I'm doing. Like that. Cute! I should bling out my phone case after this because I don't want to like waste them. So I think I'm gonna just like bling out. Anyway, let's get started. If these don't actually end up sticking to my skin, then I have lash glue. I am not artistic in any way, shape, or form. Unless it's music, then maybe. My skin is definitely purging for sure. Could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. I really don't know. I changed up my diet a bit more, so could be a good thing. I feel like this is not even gonna stick. I don't know why I'm doing this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so hopefully after this you won't see any redness. And thank goodness we have these bigger stickers because I feel like I could see myself covering up pretty big areas. I look fabulous already. This is like so therapeutic already. Tell you what, it takes like 21 days or something for your body and cells to regenerate. But I'm changing up my diet and literally it's just been like a week. So I feel like my body's just kind of adjusting. So I feel like while my skin is like acting up really hella crazy right now, this would be a good opportunity. Like, where do I put it? Because I have so many like scars. Okay. There we go. I feel like a rock star. I can't believe I'm doing this. I seen it before, like a long time ago, I'm pretty sure on YouTube. I think it was just a challenge, like covering my whole face in like rhinestone challenge, but it wasn't like covering up your acne. I haven't even used the pearls yet. Ooh, fancy. This is cute. I like the conjunction of like pearls and rhinestones. Very bougie looking face right now. This will be my Halloween costume. Shoot, I thought I was honestly gonna need more. I guess I didn't need to get as much as I thought I did. Okay, let's start off with some pearls on this side. Let's cover up as much redness. There's like big patches of redness here. So I'm just gonna take a big circle because that's gonna take a while to cover. This is literally just like a patch of red. So we're gonna put this right here. Woo! I'm blinged out. That was like very helpful. This is all just showing that literally, I don't think there's a purpose to this video, but other than that, we are all fabulous. Acne or not, you'd still be fabulous. That is the moral of this challenge. And surprisingly, there's none on my forehead. I just get the hormonal. But then the thing is, I've never been breaking around like this area in so long. That's definitely a sign my body's changing. So for the good or worse, I really don't know. But at least there has been a change lately, nonetheless. Okay, cool. I could stop here because that's really, other than that, because like it's just redness. I just want to see how much further I can go with this. So we're gonna try, cause I stuff so much. Like looking at my skin now, I'm just like, okay, wow, I don't have as much acne. It literally makes you, like it creates the illusion that you like don't have any acne. Well, obviously, because it's only making like the clear parts visible. I guess that's the purpose. And to feel fabulous. But yeah, and also if you just, you know, you want to feel nostalgic and feel like you're in 5th grade again. I mean, you know, I feel like there's always that one kid that, you know, freaks out the teacher by, or pisses off the teacher by doing this exact same thing. Except now we're full-grown adults and doing this exact same thing. For the internet. I thought I was gonna need like tweezers, to get in there, but oh, apparently it's looking good. I'm just filling in any blanks, honestly, right now at this point. I have to be careful. I feel like some are gonna fall off. Well, I feel like that's pretty much it. I could go further, but I mean, I'm feeling pretty fabulous right now. So I feel like I'm gonna stop here. And now I will walk around like this for the rest of the evening. Anyway, I'm excited to bling out my phone now. I will have a new, bright, happy phone to look at. This is so big, but like it's gonna even be bigger because of like the jewels I'm gonna put on top of it. Anyway, I'm gonna think about what else to bling out. If any of you try this, tag me on Instagram if you give it a shot. I feel like a disco Barbie, if there was ever such a thing. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it off here. This is my final product. So you could still see like there's so much redness. Like I probably could cover my whole like face, but like I'm not that professional. Maybe one day, maybe I'll have to cover like literally every single speck. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it off here. Have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. Again, you are all fabulous, no matter what state, whatever you are dealing with, mentally or like physically, such as acne or any other thing you may be dealing with. Just know that you are perfect and you are loved and you have my full support. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Okay, peace.